problems containing at least one nonlinear constraint or objective are known as nonlinear problems, and can be modeled using the Xpress Python interface with the same arithmetic logic as what we have seen for linear problems. The basic arithmetic operators can be applied, with the double asterisk being equivalent to the power operator. There are a number of functions accepting one argument that can be used, such the sine, cosine, exponential, logarithmic, and square root, among others. The multivariate functions min and max, instead, accept as many elements as necessary. In some examples, you can see the power element being used on a polynomial constraint, as well as the express methods for sine and signum functions, and the non-convex Rosenbrock function being set as an objective. Problems with these elements will be solved using the Xpress nonlinear solver. User functions can be particularly useful for modeling nonlinear problems, as they allow the creation of expressions by running a user-specified function. The express.user method receives a function as argument, followed by the possible arguments needed to run that function. The example shows the use of user functions, myfunc and mynorm, which are defined to construct nonlinear expressions that are further added as a constraint and an objective, respectively. The Python notebook example named inscribed square shows how to use Xpress nonlinear or Xpress global to solve an inscribed square problem. In this problem, we aim to find a maximal square whose vertices are inscribed in a predefined nonlinear space. The problem is first formulated mathematically, and then an optimization problem is constructed to represent that formulation. Before optimizing the problem, controls can be set to choose between nonlinear and global solvers to optimize the problem. By setting the NLP solver control to 1, a local solver will be called. If a second control named local solver is then set to 0, Xpress SLP will be used to find a suboptimal solution. After running all code cells, the last output log shows a picture of the local optimal solution found. In case a Nitro license is available and the local solver control is set to 1, Nitro will be used to find a different, but also locally optimal solution, as found after rerunning the code cells. When the NLP solver control is set to 2, Xpress Global will be used to find a globally optimal solution, as can be observed in the last output cell by running the notebook again. By default, Xpress Global will always be selected for solving such general nonlinear problems, unless the problem specification includes user functions or multi-start jobs.